Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage. As 2025 approaches, the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage has claimed the title of the best small car of the year, thanks to its exceptional value, fuel efficiency, and practical design. This subcompact hatchback has become a favorite among urban drivers and budget-conscious consumers, offering a reliable and economical solution for daily commuting and city driving. Unmatched fuel efficiency. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage stands out in its class for its impressive fuel efficiency. Powered by a 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine, the Mirage delivers 78 horsepower and 74 lb-ft of torque. While these figures may not seem powerful, they are perfectly adequate for the Mirage's lightweight design and urban driving needs. The real star of the show is the fuel economy, with the Mirage achieving an estimated 36 miles per gallon in the city and 43 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient non-hybrid vehicles on the market. Compact and practical design. The Mirage's compact dimensions make it an ideal choice for city dwellers who need a car that can easily navigate tight streets and fit into small parking spaces. Despite its small footprint, the Mirage offers a surprisingly spacious interior, with comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers and a versatile cargo area. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo space, accommodating larger items and making it a practical choice for shopping trips and weekend getaways. Modern technology and features. Inside the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage, drivers will find a range of modern features designed to enhance comfort and convenience. The standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration for navigation, music, and hands-free communication. The Mirage also comes equipped with keyless entry, a rear-view camera, and Bluetooth connectivity as standard features. For those looking for additional amenities, higher trim levels of the Mirage offer options such as automatic climate control, heated front seats, and advanced safety features like forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning. These features enhance the overall driving experience, providing comfort and peace of mind on the road. Affordable and reliable. One of the key factors behind the Mirage's popularity is its affordability. With a starting price well below many of its competitors, the Mirage offers excellent value for money. Additionally, Mitsubishi's reputation for reliability and a robust warranty package, including a 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, ensures that Mirage owners can enjoy years of worry-free driving. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage has been well received for its combination of affordability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. Its competitive pricing and low cost of ownership make it an attractive choice for first-time car buyers, students, and anyone looking for an economical vehicle. Available at Mitsubishi dealerships nationwide, the Mirage continues to attract drivers seeking a reliable and budget-friendly small car. Conclusion. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering an unbeatable blend of fuel efficiency, practicality, and affordability. With its compact design, modern features, and excellent value, the Mirage is an ideal choice for urban drivers and budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable and economical vehicle.